I've heard a lot of horror stories of parents where their kids would just run into the ends of these islands, knock themselves out. So what I need to do today is I need to put some foam or baby-proof this edge. My daughter is just tall enough where the top of her head is starting to hit this, and she whacked herself. So what I have here is just a ½ inch. It's foam. Comes in a 4-pack. I got it at Home Depot. But basically this is pipe insulation, and it works really well on this. And then all you need is some tape, a pair of scissors for the tape, and within a few minutes you should be able to install this. So with these, there's just a split edge. So you're just going to run your finger through there, take that off, and it should fit right over top. If a kid comes in, like, you won't hurt yourself if you hit your head on this. Now, I know my daughter, she likes to pull at things, so I'll just take a little bit of tape and make sure that she can't pull it off. I would use packing tape, not duct tape, because at least the packing tape, the adhesive, like the part of the tape, you can get back off countertops and stuff. If you start using electrical tape or duct tape, it's going to be a lot harder to get off later. And just do the same thing all the way around your island. Trim the edge off this. That's nice and snug. I'm just going to cut out a V so that fits over. Do the same thing on the bottom. So there. Sure everything opens. You only really need it to there, so cut it. Hopefully that keeps a bunch of kids safe. Thank you for watching, and if you would, please subscribe. Let me know if there's any content you would like to see for baby proofing or childcare or anything like that. Just leave your suggestions in the comments. Alright, thanks. Have a great day.